Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 maths and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement. And the lessons we're going to cover today are multiply and divide mixed customary units, convert and compare metric units, convert between customary and metric systems, compare temperature above and below zero. Let's start with the first lesson, multiply and divide mixed customary units. Okay, here I am on grade 6 maths. The chapter name is metric unit. The chapter name is unit of measurement. So let's start with the first lesson, that is multiply, that is multiply and divide mixed customary units. Here is the lesson. Let's just start. Okay, the first one is 36 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons divided by 2. So you have to divide both tablespoons, 36 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons by 2. Got it? 36 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons. So that means you have to divide both the units by 2. Divide 36 by 2. 36 divided by 2 equals 18. That equals 18 teaspoons. When you divide teaspoons by 2, it would be 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Just divide the numbers by 2 like we'd simply do. 18 by 2, 36 by 2 is 18 and 2 by 2 is 1. So we are left with 18 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon. Got it? Okay, the next one is 12 tons and 40 pounds divided by 4. So you have to divide by 4. Divide both the numbers by 4 like you simply do. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So you are left with 3 tons and 40 divided by 4 is 10. So it would be 3 tons and 10 pounds. Got it? Okay, the next one is 12 teaspoons and 12 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon times 2. Now you have to multiply by 2. Got it? So just do 12 times 2. When you do 12 times 2, it is 24. 12 times 2 equal 24. And you have 1 teaspoon, so 1 times 2 equal to, it would be 24 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons. Got it? So let's just start with the practice questions. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 25 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon times 2. That means you have to multiply both the values by 2. You have to do 25 teaspoons and 25 tablespoons and 1 teaspoons times 2. Got it? Just multiply the numeric values by 2. The first one is 25. To 25 times 2 is 25 times 2 is 50. It would be 50 tablespoons. Then 2 times 1 is 2, so it will be 2 teaspoons. So When you multiply it by 2, it would be 25 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons. So the correct option is option number 1. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. It is 50 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons. Got it? Okay, the next one is 4 yards, 2 feet divided by 2. You have to divide both the values by 2. Like for the first one, you have to do 4 divided by 2. So 4 times what number is 2? 4 divided by 2 equals 2. That means you are left with 2 yards. And then you have to divide 2 by 2. 2 by 2 equals 1. It would be 2, 4 yards and 1 feet. Got it? When you divide it by 2, it would be 2 yards and 1 feet. Got it? The correct option is option number 1, 2 yards and 1 foot. Got it? Feet means more than 1. It is just 1. So it is 2 yards, 1 foot. Very good. Okay, the next one is 48 tons and 50 pounds divided by 2. You have to divide both the values by 2. Got it? 48 divided by 2 is 48 divided by 2 is, when you divide 48 by 2, it is 24. So you are left with 24 tons, and divide 50 by 2. 50 by 2 equals 25. So it would be 24 tons and 25 pounds. Got it? The correct option is 24 tons and 25 pounds. That is option number. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Blades, please write the answer only once. Okay, 13 yards, 1 foot times 2. Now you have to multiply both the values by 2. Got it? Times 2 mean you have to multiply them by 2. So just do 13 times 2. 13 times 2 is 26. And then 1 times 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. It would be 26 yards and 2 feet. Got it? The correct option is 26 yards and 2 feet. Okay, so just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The correct option is option number 1. 26 yards, 2 feet is the correct option. Okay, 14 gallons, 2 quarts divided by 2. So you have to divide both the values by 2. So 14 divided by 2 equals 2 times what number is 14? 2 times 7 is 14. Then 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So it would be 7 gallons and 1 quarts. Got it? The correct option is the second one, 7 gallons and 1 quart. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 feet 3 inches times 3. So you have to multiply all the values by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 3 is 9. So it would be 9 feet 9 inches. Got it? So the correct option is 9 feet and 9 inches. Okay, 20 tablespoons, 1 teaspoons time 2. You have to multiply both the values by 2. So which is the correct option? So 20 times 2 is 40 and 1 times 2 is 2. So it would be 40 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons. Got it? So yes, it is 40 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is convert and compare metric units. Just start with the next lesson, that is compare and convert metric units. Here it is, convert and compare metric units. Okay, which is more, 10,000 millimeters or 10 meters? So first of all, you have to make their units same, then you can compare. Got it? Just make the 10 millimeters equal millimeter. In 1 meter we have, in 1 meter you have 1000 meters, 1000 millimeters. Got it? So you have to calculate in 10 meters how many meters do we have? You have to do 10 times 1000. So 10 times 1000 is 10,000. So see both the values. Here you have 10,000 millimeter and here you have 10,000 millimeter. Both the values are equal. So they are equal. 10 millimeter and 10 meters, they are equal. Got it? Basically, you have to memorize the basic units. They are the basic unit. Like in 1 meter, you have 1000 millimeters. Got it? So just keep them in mind and use them whenever you have. Got it? Okay, the next one is, which is more, 5 kilograms or 5001 grams? So first of all, make their denominators unit same. Convert from this kilograms to grams. So in 1 kilogram, you have 1000 grams. Got it? So then 5 kilogram you have to do 1000 times 5. So 1000 times 5 is 5000 grams. So now which is more, 5000 or 5001? Which is more? Yes, 5001 is more than 5000. So that means 5001 is more than 5 kilograms. Got it? So the correct option is 5001. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the one is 9 decimeter equals 9 decimeter or 903 milliliters. Which one is equal? So basically, first of all, we have to make their denominator same. Got it? We know that 1 deciliter equals 100 milliliter. Got it? Then 9 deciliter equals 9 times 100. It would be 900 milliliters. So which is more, 900 or, now they have the same units, you can compare. Got it? 900 milliliters and 903 milliliters. So which is more? Obviously 903 is more. Got it? That means 903 milliliters is more than 9 deciliter. Got it? So the correct option is 903 milliliters. Got it? Yes, very good. Okay, the next one is, which is more, 10 centimeter or 100 millimeters? So we know that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Got it? So 10 centimeter equals 10 times 10, that would be 100 millimeter. So 100 millimeter, and when you convert 10 centimeter, it would be 100 millimeters. So neither they are equal. No one is more, they are equal. Got it? So the correct option is neither they are equal. Got it? Yes, very good. They are equal. Okay, which is more, 5 kilograms or 5001 grams? So which is more? That's the one we just did on the tutorial. So which is more? 5000, when you convert 5 kilograms to grams, 1 in 1 kilogram, we have 1000 grams. 1 kg equal 1000 grams. Got it? So when you convert 5 kilograms, it would be 5 times 1000, and that equals 5000 grams. So which is more? 5001 is more than 5000. The correct option is yes, very good. That is 5001 grams. Okay, the next one is which is more, 8 meters or 798 centimeters? So which is more? Please write down the answer in the chat box if you already know the answers. Eight meters equal, when you convert 8 meter to centimeter, you have to do 8 times 100. Got it? Because in 1 meter you have 100 centimeters. Got it? 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. So 8 meter equal 8 times 100, that would be 800 centimeter. So which is more, 798 or 800? Which is more? Obviously 800 centimeter is more. That means 8 meter is more than 798 centimeter. Can you please repeat your, yes, it is 800. Okay, which is more, 6977 997 milligrams or 7 grams? Which is more? Which is more, 6997 or 7 grams? 7 grams is more. Got it? Because when we convert 7 grams to milligrams, it would be 7000. Very good. So 7000 milligrams is more than 6997 milligrams. Got it? Very good. Okay, which is more, 1998 grams or 2 kilograms? So which is more? So the correct option is yes, 2 kilograms is more, because in 2 kilograms you have 2000 grams. So 2000 grams is more than 1998. Got it? Okay, which is more, 7 liters or 71 deciliters? Which is more? Yes, it is 71 deciliters because when you convert 7 liter to 7 times 10 is 70. So obviously 71 deciliter is greater than 7 liters. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is convert between customary and metric units. Let's just start with the convert and compare. Convert between customary and metric units. Okay, how many? Let's start with the first one. How many meters are there in 9 feet? So you are given an hint. In 1 feet equals, just use the hint. We know that 1 feet equals 0.035. You have to calculate 9 feet. So just do 9 times 0.305. Got it. So when you do 9 times 305, it would be 2.745. So you have to round off the answer to the nearest tenth. So 10th digit is this one, 7. Just look at your digit right after the 7, it is 4. 4 is less than 5. That means you have to round on the same digit. So you can round it off to 2.7. Got it? Okay, the next one is 2 miles is same as how many kilometers? You have to convert from 2 miles to kilometers. Got it? So you are given the hint 1 mile equal 1.6 kilometer. You have to do 1 mile equal 1.6 kilometer. You have to convert 2 miles to kilometers. Just do 2 times 1.6. 2 times 1.6 is 3.2. That means 2 miles equal 3.2 kilometers. Got it? Let's start the practice questions. You have to just use the hints you are given and convert the values. Like for this one, how many pounds are there in 2 kilograms? So you are given 1 kg equal 2.2 pounds. You have to convert 2 kgs. So 1 kg equal 2.2. You have to convert 2 kgs. So you have to do 2 times 2.2. Got it? So 2.2 times 2 is 4.4. That means 2 kilograms equal 2 kg equal 4.4 pounds. Got it? So the correct option is 4.4. Okay, the next one is how many pounds are there in 4 kilograms? You have to calculate how many pounds in 4 kilograms. So basically, you have to do 1 kilogram equal 2.2 pounds. So for 4 kilograms, you have to do 4 times 2.2. Got it? So 4 times 2.2 equals, yes, it is 8.8. The correct option is 8.8. Okay, 6 feet is the same as how many meters? You are given 1 feet equal. Here you are given 1 feet equals 0.305. So now you have to convert 6 feet to meter. So 1 feet equal 0.305 meter. You have to calculate 6 feet. So just do 6 times 0.305. Got it? 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18. It is 1.830. So you have to round off to the nearest tenth. So it would be then 1.8. Got it? The correct option is 1.8. 2 miles is the same as how many kilometers? 1 mile equal 1.6. So the 2 miles equal 2 times 1.6. So 2 times 1.6 is, Yes, it is 3.2. Got it. So the correct option is 3.2. Okay, 7 kilometers equal. 7 kilometers is same as how many miles? You have to convert from kilometers to miles. And we know that 1.1 kilogram, 1 kilometer equals 0.6 miles. Got it? So then 7 kilometer equals, then 7 kilometer equals 7 times 0.6. Got it? So 7 times 0.6 is, okay, the next one is, yes, it is 4.2. Okay, the next one is how many kilometers are there in 6 miles? So we know that you had just used the hint 1 mile equal 1.6 kilometers. So then 6 miles equal, so you have to do 6 times 1.6 and 6 times 1.6 equals, very good, it is 9.6. Got it? Okay, the next one is 9 kilometers equal how many miles? So 1 kilometer equals 0.6. So just do 9 times 0.6, so which is the correct option? Which is, that is 5.4. Got it? The correct option is 5.4. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is compare temperatures above and below zero. So here is the next lesson, compare temperatures above and below zero. Okay, let's start with the first one. At 8 a.m. the temperature is 32 degrees C. At 11 a.m. the temperature was 27 degrees C. Was it warmer or cooler at 8 a.m.? At 8 a.m. it is 32 degrees Celsius and at 11 it is 27. So 32 is more than 27. Got it? That means at 8 a.m. It is warmer than 11 p.m. Got it? Okay, the next one is at 6 a.m. the temperature was 33 degree Fahrenheit. At 7 a.m. temperature was 23 degree Fahrenheit. Did the temperature rise or fall? Okay, wait, let me just write down the temperatures. So at 6 a.m. the temperature is, okay, at 6 a.m. the temperature is 33 degree Fahrenheit. At 7 a.m. the temperature was 20 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, 33 and then it is 20 degree. So from 32 it is fall because and the temperature is 33 degree. 33 degree is warmer than 20 degrees. Got it? 20 degrees cooler. So the temperature fall. Got it? 20 degree Fahrenheit is cooler than 30 degree Fahrenheit. So the temperature fell. Got it? Okay, the next one is at 7 a.m. the temperature is 4 degrees C. At 4 p.m. it is 7 degrees C. So the temperature from 4 to 7, it is the rise in the temperature. Got it? So that means it is the rise in the temperature. Let's start with the Best questions. Okay. The temperature was 4 degrees Celsius in Westford. In the temperature was 4 degrees Celsius in Westford. In Richmond, the temperature was 32 degrees Celsius. In which city the temperature in which city was the weather warmer? So which is warmer? Obviously 33 degrees warmer. Got it? That means in Richmond the temperature is warmer. Got it? So the correct option is Richmond. Okay, Dina recorded a temperature of 81 degree Fahrenheit and Mimi recorded a temperature of 17 degree Fahrenheit. Did Mimi record a temperature that was warmer or cooler? Okay, basically you have to understand the temperatures. Got it? Let me explain the one I am on. Dina recorded a temperature of 81 degree Fahrenheit and Mimi recorded a temperature of 17 degree Fahrenheit. You have to compare these temperatures. Did Mimi recorded a temperature that was warmer or cooler? Mimi recorded 17. So 81 and then the temperature came down to 17. Got it? That means 81 is warmer and 17 is cooler. So that means that Mimi recorded the temperature that is cooler. Got it? Because 81 is a very high temperature. High temperature means it's warmer. And then the temperature fell down to 17. 17 means it is the cooler. Got it? So the correct option is cooler. Got it? Okay, the next one is Paula recorded a temperature of 32 degrees Celsius and Carter recorded a temperature of 3 degrees Celsius. Who recorded a cooler temperature? So which is cooler, 32 or 3? Like when it is 32 degrees in your city, is it cool or warmer? 32 degrees is a hot. So the cooler temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. 32 is very hot day. 3 degrees Celsius is a cooler one. Got it? So who recorded a cooler temperature? Carter. Got it? 3 degrees C is the cooler one. So Carter recorded the cooler temperature, isn't it? Okay, Hugo recorded a temperature of 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, and Ein recorded a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. Did Ein record a temperature that was warmer or cooler? Just think and then answer. 6 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. So which is warmer? Which is warmer? 6 is warmer. How? What temperature is it in your city right now? Obviously 40 is warmer, not 6. 6 is the cooler one. So 40 is warmer. So I recorded temperature that was warmer. Got it? Dan recorded a temperature of 7 degrees Celsius and Helga recorded a temperature of 9 degrees Celsius. who recorded a cooler temperature? Smaller number means cooler one. Greater number means hotter one. Got it? Warmer one. Like 6 is smaller, so 6 is cooler, and 40 is greater, so 40 is warmer. You can relate these things. Got it? Okay, Diane recorded a temperature of 7 degrees Celsius and Helga recorded a temperature of 9 degrees Celsius. Who recorded a cooler temperature? So which one is cooler? 7 or 9? Yes, the smaller value is cooler, like you compare the numbers. 7 is less than 9, so 7 1 is the cooler. So Dion recorded the cooler one. Got it? Okay, at 7 a.m. the temperature was 4 degrees C. At 4 p.m. the temperature was 7 degrees C. So did the temperature rise or fall? So which is the correct option? From 4 to 7, it is a rise. Got it? So the temperature rise. So the correct option is rise. Okay, at 9 the temperature was 17. At 11 the temperature was 14. Was it warmer or cooler at 11? So which is the correct option? At 11 the temperature is 14. So was it warmer or cooler? Yes, it is cooler. Got it. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 6 maths, and the lesson we are working chapter we are working on is unit of measurement. The lessons we have put it today are multiply and divide mixed customary units, convert and compare metric units, convert between customary and metric systems. Then we did compare between customary and mixed and metric systems. Then compare temperature above and below zero. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Please click on the like button right below the video. That's all for today. Bye everyone. Yes, is it your this is your homework. You have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. Got it? Bye. You have to complete the test questions since we did today. That is your homework.